हबीब यूनिवर्सिटी जो है कराची के अंदर जितनी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं उन सब से हट के उसका एक अपना इनिशिएटिव है और वो इनिशिएटिव ये है कि हमें एक अच्छे लीडर्स जो हैं फ्यूचर के लिए हमें प्रोड्यूस करने हैं. दिस इज़ वन थिंग दैट इंस्पायर्ड मी अलॉट अबाउट हबीब यूनिवर्सिटी and inshallah if circumstances result in our favor I would have Habib University as one of the options for my future academic programs.
I had an amazing time till now. I love the campus. I got to know so much about your degrees and liberal art program. I got to know more about your global exchange programs and I'm looking forward to start my journey here.
One thing that I love about Habib is its diverse environment. I see so many different kind of students over here and that gives us an opportunity to learn about so many different backgrounds and that makes the university experience better.